Hi, ni hao. I hope you're doing great. My name is Blasella from Philippines. I am 44 years old, single. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce major in Management. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and can work with little supervision. As for my experience, I was working in Taiwan as a caretaker since 2007 until 2019, 12 years in service with one employer only. My responsibilities are taking care of two kids, Mimi and Cuckoo. They are 8 and 10 years old when I started to work for them. I prepare their foods, clean their steps, and make sure they're good hygiene as well. I also teach them in English and assist their homeworks. I also doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, go to market, running errands, look after grandma, give her medicine on time, and take her to the park for exercise. I can speak basic Mandarin, just 8 and 10, because my boss preferred to communicate me in English. I have been working as a secretary at Film Life and office clerk at Image Auto Parts. I resigned because of salary matters. In fact, it is not enough to provide for my family. Actually, I miss Chinese food and I can cook as well. I am looking forward to work with you and hope to see you soon. Thank you for your time and patiently watch my self-video introduction. Jai Tin!